Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Gary Thompson. I am a crypto, stocks, finance, real estate type of channel. So guys, I'm in a different location today. I'm in my car. I am not in my office space currently, but I had to get in my car because I love you guys and I gotta update you guys as soon as possible on the crypto news. So if you've been looking at the crypto news lately, man, the market is booming. So I'm gonna get straight into this video. I'm gonna tell you guys about crypto. I'm gonna tell you guys about Spell Token. So let's get into this. And guys, if you're not subscribed to the channel, what are you doing? I give you guys daily content. So make sure you hit that subscribe button, turn that button gray. And it's free of charge, guys. It costs you nothing to hit that sub button. So make sure you hit that sub button for me making this video in my car.
Here to tell you right now, we don't care.
Let me tell you something.
We don't care.
And make sure you hit the like button, guys, so this video can go out to more people. And comment down below W's because it's a W day. Usually we comment those snakes because of Bitcoin, but Bitcoin's a big W today. So comment W's in the chat down there and let me know what you guys are invested in. And if you're in the green today, you should be. Hopefully you're in the green, unless you're in the stock market. But guys, make sure that you're going crazy in that chat and let's get straight into it. So let's talk about the market in its entirety first. Guys, literally almost a 4% increase in the global market cap. Do you know how insane that is? And that's over the span of this 24-hour period. So the market is rebounding well. And why is it rebounding so good? Guys, Bitcoin hit a freaking high of 44,000. Like, that's insane. Bitcoin is going back up. That's what we want to see. We don't want to see no 39,000s. We want to see 44,000. Bitcoin, you redeemed yourself on the channel. Thank you. And you guys know it's Bitcoin because all the graphs and all the charts are following in that same trajectory Bitcoin's going in. So why do I think this? I think that investors are finally buying these dips. They see that the market's not going to get any lower and they're just hurting the market and they're hurting their own pockets. So more investors are putting more money into crypto and we are now starting to see this big boom of crypto. I thought it was going to happen in February. We're seeing it in the middle of January. So if this keeps going, man, people might not be crazy about the 100K Bitcoin. But let's talk about our baby, Spell Token. In Spell Token, we've seen a 7.47% increase in its market cap. We've seen Spell Token's price go up by 10%. Spell Token is doing phenomenal today. And if you guys invested when Spell Token was down, let's say you invested $500 when Spell Token was down, you would have $600 right now. That's $100 just for investing in Spell right there. Not financial advice. Market cap is currently sitting at $1.2 billion. And with them burning tokens, we are seeing the circulating supply actually start to fill up. So that's really good. So guys, what are your developments on Spell? Do you think Spell is going to be able to break that 2-cent mark again? Do you think it's even possible for it to reach 5 cents? Guys, as Spell's growing, make sure that if you, this is not financial advice, make sure you are checking out staking. Staking is a way you can get a lot of money from your Spell, so you can be gaining even more. So guys, thank you for watching the video. Just a quick video. I want to update you guys on the market. I always want to give you guys daily updates. We'll come back with a banger video tomorrow. I love you guys. Make sure you subscribe to the channel. Daily content. I love you guys. I'll see you guys in the next one. Peace.